In a previous video, I created the car battery, and in this video, we can fix the forward gear. I see my YouTube statistics. Many people watch my videos, but they don't subscribe. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel SmartFill. Like, share, comment, and hit the bell icon to see the latest videos. If you didn't see the previous video, link in the description. Watch that video first. I opened all the parts of the car and wanted to know why the car is not moving forward. I opened all the things like tire, seat, front mirror, dashboard, and each and every part. All the things are working very well, like multimedia, backward gear, only the forward gear is not working. Cars move in a backward direction very well. I start checking all the wires with the multimeter and didn't find any clue. You see that I lose some hair in attention as well. Even check all the wires with the multimeter but didn't find any error. At the last, I come up with the conclusion that there must be error in the main PCB. This PCB is not looking great. I see many SMD components on this board. These boards have a relays which can control the DC motors. This board also have wireless receiving functionality. It takes 2 weeks to find what is the error. Why it take 2 weeks? Because I don't have any SMD equipments except heat gun. I noticed when I reverse the car, the backward gear relay works. But when I forward the car, the forward gear relay don't on. So I checking both relays and the both relays are working well. Both relays internal resistance are well. So it was impossible to find where the error is. I checked that PCB on the internet as well, but didn't find any 9-pin PCB. If anyone knows this PCB vendor, please give me the link in a comment. I was almost disheartened and start thinking to create my own PCB, which do have the wireless capability plus also have to control both the DC motors. But one day when there was no light, I was watching the PCB with my mobile and I find a little clue. I see that the forward gear relay pads are missing. I suddenly start checking with the multimeter and find the exact place where the pads are missing. I cut the small jumper wire and start soldering. It was hard to solder without scope. I check with the multimeter and the lines are correct. I place some heat resistance tape to secure the connections. I temporarily place the PCB to check whether the forward gate is working or not. Now the car moves forward and as well as in a backward direction. I close all the things which I opened. Place the new battery which I built in a previous video. As the battery is already charged, my power bench is showing less ampere. I am very happy to build that car. If you have any query related to this car or a battery, you may contact me. My Instagram ID is in the description. फॉर उर्दू स्पीकिंग यूज़र सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल स्मार्टफिल को, लाइक शेयर कमेंट करें और बेल के आइकन को दबाइए ताकि आप लेटेस्ट वीडियोस देख सकें।